Hello and welcome to Planning with Toya B. I'm LaToya. Here, the focus is Plan with Me's planner stickers, hauls, and reviews, as well as mommy hauls and reviews from time to time. Please join our fam and don't forget to subscribe and click that notification bell. Now let's get started. Well, with this week being Father's Week, MK330 is the Father's Day stickers, so here we go. If you're interested in certain parts of the video, the timestamps are in the description. Check out Planning with Toya B on my IG to get more planning and inspirational content. So this is MKDD4A, the bottom box. I use it on the dashboard, and I'm going to be using some of these headers as well. These are the individual headers, MK330A03. I use these on the dashboard. Now, if you're interested in the dashboard layout plan with me, you can check that out above. And these are the days, the dots, and the weekends, which is A04. We use these on our hourly layout. And this is the thick washi, A05. Now the thick washi, I'm gonna peel it off just a little bit so you can see how wide it is. So it will cover that without any problems on the hourly. If this is adding any value and helping you in any way, to like and subscribe below. This is A06, the thin washi. Now I do a plan with me for hourly, so if you're interested in seeing that, I'll put that above. Then we have our sidebars that say Happy Father's Day on them, and I always get 2 of them. Then we have our icons, AO14, and the sidebar, by the way, is AO7. And then we have AO15, which are the scallops, and I use these for mood trackers on the dashboard and headers on the hourly. This is the clip art. This is so super cute. AO17 with hammers and screws and nuts and things. So it also has little power cord extensions and stuff like that. I also use vertical boxes from time to time on our family time. So that's MK206, and the other one is 205. Both of those I chose. Now there are some other options, so I'm going to show you real quick those other options that you can use, because I don't buy everything Kate has, because I don't need everything Kate has. So these are some of the other options that you can use from this particular collection. Remember, you are exactly where you need to be today. Bye bye now. If you'd like to see more, please click the links here and here. Thanks again.